Maths trails. I myself am a firm believer in and advocate for using maths trails within every school's mathematics curriculum, for many reasons, all of which will become somewhat self-evident as I move down through this little presentation. For those of you not so familiar with this approach, possibly the first question that presents is, well, what is a maths trail? A maths trail is an organised walk for students of all ages along a pre-planned route in an area close to the school, where they can experience mathematics in the environment by observing, measuring, collecting and recording data while completing activities on the trail. And as to why one should input all that creative time and expend all those energies in developing them, well, there are a suite of benefits pertaining to using maths trails in school. Children use mathematical concepts they learned in the classroom, hear mathematics language in a meaningful context, engage in problem solving, make connections, and discover the varied uses of mathematics in everyday life. Maths trails are versatile, inexpensive, accessible, and easy to create and use. They create an atmosphere of adventure and exploration because the trail takes place outside the classroom. Good pre-planning and solid preparation by the teacher is the key to the success of each and every maths trail. Decide whether the trail is going to be utilised as a teaching method of a new strand or strand unit, revision of a strand or strand unit, or to consolidate skills and knowledge from a mixture of strands and strand units. Begin by walking around the building, inside and outside, using your maths eyes. You may be looking for patterns, shapes, things to measure, count or graph. Look for calendars, notices of events, number plates, clocks, or other things that use numbers. When designing the maths trail, it is important to compose questions that provoke curiosity and motivate students, while also ensuring the learning objectives of the maths lessons will be met. The students should be divided into pairs or teams because the trail is designed to stimulate communication of mathematical ideas. Each child will have a clipboard, pencil, and prepared activity sheet with directions to the sites and questions to answer, data to collect, and drawings to make. The following are some important points to remember. When the trail is completed, it is imperative that the groups gather together in the classroom to discuss their answers. Get a dialogue going, and this dialogue will drive learning even deeper, and it can be fascinating, the discussion points that get turned and teased out when space is created for, well, call it what you like, mathematics chat, maths conversation, maths dialogue. In my experience, this latter part has been a powerful learning tool. This provides further opportunities for discussion using mathematical language, explanations of how they worked out their answers, and so on. For example, I have witnessed a discussion where two groups disagreed on whether the shape in question was a 2D or 3D shape. Once a specific trail has been completed, there are still opportunities for a range of follow-up activities. Host a maths eyes competition. Each child is asked to draw something they saw using their maths eyes and compose 3 mathematical questions based on their picture. These maths eyes pictures can be displayed in the school corridor so that all children in the school have the opportunity to answer these questions too. The children could also work together to formulate their own maths trails. In conclusion, maths trails are without doubt an invaluable resource for developing each child's maths eyes, maths skills, knowledge, and mathematical language. Not only are they a fantastic maths resource, but Maths Trails also integrate very closely with a number of different subject areas. This enables cross-curricular planning with SCSE, visual arts, oral language, reading, writing, SPHE, PE, and IT. By using Maths Trails as a teaching resource, we are ensuring that mathematics instruction continues to move from abstract, algorithm-focused, worksheet-based instruction to meaningful problem-solving, hands-on teaching. Above all, enjoyment is essential. A trail is not a trial.